Started sanding it all down, ready for painting. Get some high points there, and that's where the crack was, or is. I'll do that tomorrow, fell out tomorrow, and then sand it back down again so it's all nice and level. And see, that's one side done. Well, it's flattened back, ready for painting, and then I got the bottom half there to do. That's going to be the biggest part there because all that's got to come off. So a copper coat on it. All that's got to come off for the undercoat, for the anti-foul, and the keel. Then that's all got to be cleaned off. All that rust's got to come off there. Take all that rust off that keel there. Yeah, so this is flattened back. I'll do a patch that tomorrow, and then start on this side then, because you see that hasn't been done. It still needs washing all that. Wash. It's still green. That will last long. Yeah. Maybe in 2 weeks then I could be to paint it.